Welcome. I'm Jacob, and I'm so glad you're here for this short but powerful Yoga Nidra session, helping you relax and find deep inner peace. Before we begin, I'd like to extend an invitation to join the Life Rich Collective, my affordable online membership. Inside, you'll find exclusive recordings in Yoga Nidra, meditation, and breathwork, as well as other tools to support your growth and well-being. It's a space for connection, transformation, and learning, and I'd love to welcome you there. Now, take a moment to settle in, lying down in a way that feels completely supportive and restful. Take a moment to feel your body sinking into the surface beneath you. Close your eyes gently and allow your breath to soften. Feeling the natural rhythm of your breath, nice and easy, steady and effortless. With each exhale, simply notice how your body softens and lets go just a little bit more. As your body relaxes further, I invite you to connect with the following simple yet powerful intention for this practice. I welcome peace and connection into my life. Repeat this intention silently to yourself 3 times, feeling it resonate deeply within, like a pebble dropping into still water, its ripples spreading through your entire being. We'll now gently guide awareness through the body. Follow the sound of my voice as it invites rest and relaxation to every part of you. Begin by bringing your attention to your mind's eye, base of the throat, right shoulder, elbow, wrist, your thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and little finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, base of the throat, and your left shoulder, elbow, wrist, thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and little finger, wrist, elbow, shoulder, base of the throat, center of the chest, the right side of the chest, and the left side of the chest, base of the throat, and your mind's eye center. And returning your attention to your breath, let it flow naturally, effortlessly. Imagine each inhale as a wave gently rolling in from the ocean, bringing peace and calm. And each exhale as the wave retreating, carrying away tension and self-doubt. Begin to guide your breath with this rhythm. Inhale softly through your nose, imagining a wave of calm reaching every corner of your body. Exhaling fully, letting go of all tension, all negative thoughts, feeling lighter with each release. Continue like this for a few breaths, allowing the waves to cleanse your mind and fill you with clarity and ease. And rest now in the stillness that remains. Feel the quiet beneath your thoughts, the peace beneath your breath. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be. Simply rest in the ease of this moment, fully present and fully supported. Returning to our intention now one more time, I welcome peace and connection into my life. Repeat it one more time internally, allowing it to resonate once again deeply within your subconscious. And begin to gently reawaken your body, feeling each breath bring more wakefulness, the surface beneath you supporting you fully. Notice the air on your skin, the sounds around you, the tastes in your mouth. And at your own pace, when you feel ready, simply bring more physical movements to the body, awakening nice and gently. Thank you for joining me in this short but powerful Yoga Nidra session. If you enjoyed this experience, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Feel free to subscribe to my channel for more practices as I release frequent new nidras. I also invite you to explore my new online membership, the Life Rich Collective, where you'll find exclusive recordings and other tools to deepen your journey. Wishing you peace and ease, and I look forward to practicing with you again soon. Namaste.